Renzo has arrived at Binance Launchpool. Let's dive into the details. Renzo, a long-awaited and significant project, is now on Binance Launchpool. As you know, Binance Launchpool is a cost-free earning pool. By locking up your idle assets for a few days, you can participate in projects on Launchpool and earn rewards. Staking for this project has begun on Launchpool, and it will be listed on Binance on April 30th. The farm event started on April 24th. Even though today is the 26th, I still wanted to shoot this video, because I know there are followers who forget to attend the Launchpool event or do not care about the project. Let's continue the review. The maximum token supply is 10 billion, with 250 million being distributed on Launchpool. If you have a Binance account and have completed identity verification, you can participate in this project. If you don't have a Binance account, you can find my discounted Binance referral link in the description of this video. Click on it and register on the exchange. Getting free Renzo isn't illogical. There are two different pools here, BNB and FDUSD. You can choose whichever pool you prefer. To participate in the project, all you need to do is log into your Binance account and click on the Launchpool option under the More button. Here you'll see Renzo. Choose any pool and enter. You'll see the stake button at the bottom left. If you have BNB or FDUSD in your account, you can execute your transaction using the stake button. That's all there is to it. Renzo is indeed an important project with strong investors. You can visit Renzo's website for more detailed information and follow their social media accounts. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. I will soon discuss very important opportunities with you. See you in the next video.